Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to import Revit data into Asana so you can visualize your project schedule using Gantt charts and Kanban boards. This is incredibly useful for construction teams and project managers who want to move from design data directly into a collaborative task management system without manually recreating everything. First, head over to https://app.asana.com and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll want to create a new project to house your Revit data. Click the plus button in the sidebar or look for the New Project button on your homepage. This opens up your project creation options. Now here's where the import process begins. In the upper right corner of the project creation window, click the Import button. You'll be prompted to enter some basic information about your project. Type your project name into the project name field, something descriptive that matches your Revit file or phase. Then under Privacy, select which team or workspace this project should belong to. This determines who can access and collaborate on the imported data. Next, you need to upload your CSV file. Click the Select File to Import button and navigate to where you've saved your Revit export. Select your Revit CSV file and confirm. Once it's loaded, click the Import Directly option. This tells Asana to bring in your data without additional formatting steps. Then click the Continue button to proceed. Asana will now show you a preview screen where you can review everything before finalizing. Check your tasks, dates, assignments, and status columns carefully to make sure everything imported correctly. If something doesn't look right, click Make Changes to adjust mappings or column assignments. If everything looks accurate, go ahead and click Go to Project to finalize the import. Now that your Revit data is in Asana, you can switch between different views depending on what you need. To see your tasks as a Gantt chart with timeline dependencies, click the Timeline tab at the top of your project page. This gives you that visual schedule layout that's perfect for tracking project phases. To view your tasks as a Kanban board with drag and drop functionality, click the Board tab. This view is great for managing workflow and task status updates. You can also return to the list view anytime for a traditional spreadsheet style layout. And that's it. You've successfully imported your Revit data into Asana and can now manage your construction or design project using Gantt charts and Kanban boards. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.